Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just going to be a quick video. Some people ask me what I do to give back to families in need during the Christmas holidays. So as you can see, I have a very tiny Christmas tree here. It's not really true, that's just the top of the tree. That's the rest of the tree right there. And what this was a donation tree. That's an 8-foot tall artificial tree. Someone donated that to me just the other day, and that's a wonderful thing. The reason that they replaced the tree was because all of the lights which are built into this tree, I don't know if you can see that, but this tree has about 1,000 twinkle lights on it. And I have gone through each and every bulb to make sure that they weren't blown out. There's like 5-6 strands of lights. I could get one to work, and then one half of another. So I could either spend the next week trying to figure this out, or I could just fix the problem. It'll cost me $5 and maybe an hour's worth of my time. So what I'm actually doing here is I'm using these clippers and I'm removing the lights that are on this tree. The reason for that is I feel that when you give a child something, they have these great expectations in their head. And when a family comes for this stuff, they're going to get a Christmas tree. They're going to get this beautiful tree skirt that goes around the base of the tree. I want the tree to have working lights. They're going to get stockings. It's basically Christmas in a one-stop deal. They're also going to get these great ornaments. They are blue and gold, various shapes. I think there's icicles in there, a few different things. And the idea is that when the family takes this home, you know how kids get excited about putting up Christmas decorations and all, and a lot of these families don't have Christmas decorations. So when they go there, when they go home, I want the tree to stand straight. I want all the branches to be good, ready to go. I want the base to be in good shape, nothing broken, nothing cracked. And of course, I don't want a kid to go, hey, there's lights on this tree, I can't wait to plug it in, and you plug it in and they're no good. So what I'll do is I'll continue to clip all the lights off, and I'll keep those bulbs for other projects, because I usually give anywhere from 10 to 20 packages of Christmas to 10 to 20 families a year. And hopefully as this spreads, I just met a man in Alabama who wants to get involved and do things for the city he lives in. So I want to be able to make these videos to show you guys exactly what I do. So I will strip all of the bulbs out of this tree, and then I'll go ahead and take all the wiring out. It's just wrapped around all the branches, so as you cut it out, you can pull the wiring out. So you're not leaving anything to get plugged in, you're not leaving anything to cause any fire damage. I'm removing the lights from this particular tree as I work on it for just a few minutes and start to get it all apart. I want to make sure that nothing is left on here of any of the old Christmas wiring, the old Christmas lights, nothing that doesn't work. You see, I can start undoing the wires. And then I'll run down to Walmart. Walmart has 25-foot LED Christmas twinkle lights, colored. You can get them in all blue, all red, all white, or you can get multicolored, which is my favorite. And I will buy two 25-foot strands of multicolored lights, brand new, and they are $2.60, I think, when I checked the other day at Walmart. So after I get all this stripped off today, at some point today or tomorrow, I will stop at Walmart. I will get two brand new sets of lights, and I will pick up a few extra stockings because I don't have any stockings this year. Sometimes people will hand make them, they'll knit them, crochet them. Sometimes they'll send me stockings that they've had left over, or sometimes they even go to the Dollar Tree and buy stockings. You have to remember that kids don't care. They don't care where their Christmas stuff comes from. So being able to repurpose someone's old tree like this, this was a wonderful tree. The box is right over there. It was originally $98 from Walmart when they bought it. The lights no longer work. They said, well, I'll get a new tree. So instead of throwing it away, they brought it to me. I'll take the lights off, make sure all the branches are nice and straight and fluffy and it looks beautiful, and put some new lights together, a few Christmas stockings, maybe even another box of ornaments, the tree skirt, and then this will go to a needy family who'll be able to take it home and decorate, because what's Christmas if you don't have a Christmas tree? What's Christmas if you don't have a stocking? There's a lot of wonderful organizations out there. I personally do the Angel Tree as well as Toys for Tots. And those are great organizations. And they provide Christmas presents for good kids, deserving kids. Money's tight, and parents can't always give Christmas. But on the other hand, there's nobody out there that I'm aware of at the moment that provides Christmas trees and decorations. When I first started this, I used to just go to Lowe's and spend $25 on a live tree and, get a base and give it to a family. Now I get things from yard sales. I got this from a yard sale yesterday for $1, and probably closer around the second week of December, first week of December, if I come across a family that would rather have a real tree, I could put that to use. I like real trees at my house, but I want to give stuff that they can use year after year. That's why I do artificial. If you give an artificial tree that's a really good tree with a good base, LED lights that don't blow on you, this is something that they'll have for the coming years. And it's a gift that keeps on giving. So I'm going to keep working on this. I've got a lot of lights to cut off of here and a lot of wiring to remove. And when I'm finished, you won't even be able to tell that it once had lights built in. No fire hazard. Yeah, it's a few extra hours of my time, but I know that because of this, there's a family out there that's going to have a really special Christmas this year. And that's why I do what I do. So, I'll see you soon.